guys, what is up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to get this sleek ponytail without heat, no blow dryers, no straighteners, no heat. And the way to get this look is by using a drawstring ponytail. Can you believe this is a drawstring ponytail? It like matches so good. And the great thing about this is that it doesn't matter what kind of hair you have. Anybody can use a drawstring ponytail. If you want to give yourself that long, sleek, fancy look, you're trying to turn it up a notch, date night, girls night out, or you just want to look cute, it's perfect for anybody, any hair type. If you have short hair, if you have long hair, as long as you can put it up, then you can rock this. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I went ahead and installed this ponytail and got this look. I really love this look, and I hope you will too. So if you want to see how I got it, then keep on watching. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this sleek ponytail started. Right now, I am on day 6 hair. And I'm just not ready to wash it yet. It looks like it needs to be washed, clearly, but yeah, I'm just not ready. So I wanna make it last one more day, and I'm gonna be doing this sleek ponytail with a drawstring ponytail. So no heat necessary, no blow dryers, no straighteners, nothing. All you need is a drawstring ponytail like this that matches your color. So this one kind of has like a blend of different colors, and of course I will link the one that I got in the description box below, but you can find them at any beauty supply store. I've seen them at so many different beauty supplies, so they're not hard to find and they're really inexpensive. This one in particular, I think it was about $15. The drawstring ponytail style is great to use if you're trying to keep your hair in a protective style. It's also great if you just want to change up your look for the night, if you're going out and you're trying to look cute and sophisticated. Whatever the case may be, this is great for any time, and summer's right around the corner, and I feel like it's such a cute summer look. Let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, oh gosh, look at this. Ah! So yeah, my hair is just, like I said, I am so not ready to wash it yet. So I'm just trying to stretch this out one more day. Oh gosh. So I want to slick my hair back. I'm gonna want to probably part it, have a little part going. Okay, where is my part? So I kind of have one already, just from when I style my hair normally. So I'm gonna slick it back, or not slick it back, I'm just gonna put it up in like a, you know, soft holding ponytail. It's not gonna be anything crazy. And what I'm gonna start doing is slicking down my edges the way I want it to look before I actually start putting it in a sleek bun. I'm gonna start off with a little bit of water, and I'm just gonna spray the edges a little. So I got my rat tail comb, got to be ultra glued. This stuff, super glue, like it'll keep your hair down and slicked for days. But the great thing about it is that it's water soluble, so you know, just put some water on it and it'll come right off. So I grabbed a little bit on my finger, I don't even know if you can see it, and I'm just gonna put it on my edges. So I'm gonna go ahead and start just kind of shaping my edges the way I want them to look. So I'm kind of feeling that. And I still want to slick down this little part here. Now, keep in mind that I'm slicking it down now, but once I actually start combing it back and slick it into my bun, it might move a little bit and we can just fix it later. But right now, we're kind of getting it in the general area that we want it. So now that we have our edges taken care of, we can go ahead and focus on slicking back the bun. So I'm gonna go ahead and just spray the rest of my hair. And I am gonna put a little bit of product in it because, like I said, it can be a protective style, and I just wanna have my edges, I just wanna have my ends moisturized while it's in this bun. I'm also gonna put a little bit of the Cantu for Natural Hair Curl Activator Cream. This one's really moisturizing. I love using it. If you watch my videos, you already know this. I'm just gonna kind of scrunch my edges. So now, you're gonna get a hair tie and a brush. So I like to use this brush because it really just like smooths out the hair. Comb back your hair. Make sure there's no curly curls sticking out. We want it to look smooth. So it's looking pretty smooth, as you can see. That's what we want. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie it up. I'm gonna get my second hair tie and secure the bun. All right, so now my hair is in a bun, and I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of touch up my edges a little bit because they did move just a little bit, but it's fine. Like I said, I was expecting that, but they're kind of already in place a little bit. So I'm just gonna spray it with a little bit of water just to kind of loosen up the gel that's already there. I don't think I need to add any more. All right, so edges looking right. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my drawstring ponytail. Here's what it looks like. It has a little pocket that your bun will go in and a little drawstring that you'll tighten up. There is a little comb here in the front. You can just put that like right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. I have the comb right here, and I'm just gonna put that right in the front of the bun and make sure that the pocket, that my bun is in the pocket. Pull on the drawstring to tighten that up and close it up around the bun. And with this, I'm just gonna kind of go around my hair with it and then just tuck it in. What I'm gonna do is wrap a piece of the hair around it as well because I want it to look a little more fancy. So I'm just gonna grab, probably from the bottom, you know, a little piece of the hair and just wrap it around. If I can get it out. I'm gonna go ahead and just use a clip to clip it in place. You can use a bobby pin if you want to be more discreet. And there we have it, the long, sleek ponytail with no heat. I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup real quick, you know, just to pull the look together and I'll be right back. And makeup is done and complete. Now it's the look. I love it so much. It's so easy, so fast, and like I said, I was on day 6 hair and I'm able to stretch this out another day and I still look good. This is definitely an affordable way to kind of elevate your look, change it up if you want a little bit. If you enjoyed this video, then feel free to give it a thumbs up. Also, while you're there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, because you know you want to see more videos from me. Let me know what you thought about this look in the comments down below. If you're gonna buy a drawstring ponytail to try out for yourself, put it down in the comments. I wanna know, I wanna hear about it. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.